Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to regrow yellow onions from store-bought onions. So let's get started. Alright guys, so I have a yellow onion here. What I'm going to do is you'll notice the fuzzy part of the onion. That's basically the root part, and that'll go on the bottom. So we're going to cut about 1 inch from the bottom off. We're going to take the bottom part of the onion and we're going to put it in a small bowl, roughly about 1 inch of water. We're going to place that root side into the water, making sure that the top of the onion is exposed for it to dry. We're going to place the onion by the window for it to grow some roots, and within a few days you will start noticing fresh roots growing from underneath the onion. Once the roots are about 2 to 3 inches long, we're going to go ahead and take that out to the garden, or if you have a small pot, we're going to put this in the soil, bury it about 2 inches deep, and then we'll cover it. And within a few months, you will start noticing the onion growing. All right guys, that was pretty easy, right? Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, I would love to hear about how your onion is growing and how it's doing and how this went for you. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.